everyone to episode 2 of 3 by 2 with One Love. First of all, thank you so much for such a wonderful response that you gave on our last episode. Our WhatsApp and our Instagram was flooded with so many messages from all of you, whoever watched, and they just told us how they liked, what bits they liked. Some people like literally mentioned the time period that they watched and what specifically they loved in that 1 hour long episode. So thank you so much for having patience and for listening to that podcast, if at all you have listened to it. In case you're new here, well, I am Lovepreet. She's my best friend Vandana, and we do some podcasts, we do some chit chat on some everyday issues that we face. Until now, we have just in one episode, and it's available on Spotify, it's available on YouTube, and all the other social media platforms. We'll link them down below. In case you're new, please go ahead and watch our introduction and then switch on to this episode. Well, hi Vandana, how are you?
Hello, hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am pretty good, although this is the first time we are asking each other how we are in today, like in this day, but it's
Exactly.
okay. It is okay. As long as she's fine, I don't mind asking her 4 times in a day. Okay, वंदना, so what are we doing today? आज हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Since हमें episodes को बहुत precise रखना है, so let's directly jump into what we are going to do in today's episode. Just tell our audiences, our
Okay. So
listeners.
the interesting for today is very, very interesting. I believe you know the what we are communicating, right? And जो ये podcast की series भी है, like it's the similar thing, right? We are talking to each other, we are sharing our viewpoints, and we are doing communicating. We what exactly that if I have to be like we are doing the communication and uh, we have to do this somehow. We are all social animals, right? एंड जब तक हमारी दिल की बातें नहीं निकलेंगी बाहर वी समहाउ अंदर ही अंदर वी कीप इट एंड वो प्रॉब्लमेटिक है बट कम्युनिकेशन एक ऐसा इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है अगर नहीं भी होगा राइट देन इट विल कॉज अ प्रॉब्लम और अगर सही तरीके से नहीं होगा then it will also be like a kind of a problem. So what we are trying to do today here is we are trying to burst few myths related to this very 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 important topic called communication.
Yes. Yes. Last time ही हमें ये idea आ गया था while recording because a lot of people around us, come up with different ideas about communication. We have been listening to so many things from our friends, from our family members, relatives, and random strangers also about communication, and we realized यार बहुत myths हैं, related to this one small concept which is very vivid in all of our lives and which is very prominent also, right? So we thought, why not pick up some very common myths and just burst them today? Give you all our opinion कि वो myth actually myth है और उसे burst करना बहुत जरूरी है. So Vandana has picked up 3 myths which she has been listening to quite often here and there, and I have also picked up 3 different myths जो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा सुनने में आते हैं या लोग चीज़ों को believe करते हैं. People around me, sometimes myself, we do believe in those things. And what we have done is the twist is that we have exchanged those myths. तो जो मुझे myths मिले हैं उनके आंसर्स वंदना देगी और जो वंदना को myths मिले हैं उनके आंसर्स मैं दूंगी. Once again, like the last time, we have everything in these chits right here. And by now, you know that we are 2 people. We are going to take 3 questions each. So let's just not repeat that same story again. And let's directly get into it, right? So हम एक एक करके will pick up the chit, we'll read out the myth for you,
Yes.
and we'll share कि हमें क्या लगता है about that particular myth, right? All right, are you ready,
Yeah.
Vandana?
I am ready.
Great. Okay. चलो, this time Vandana, for a change, you are starting off. तो तेरे को दिया आज मैंने control.
Okay, okay. Okay, the first myth is message sent is message received, right? तो इससे ना मेरे को ये बड़ी गोली चीज याद आ रही है वी आर लाइक इनटू लाइक चैटिंग एंड लाइक सेंडिंग ईमेल्स टू ईच एवरीवन तो हम लोग अपनी तरफ से मैसेज टाइप करके एंड वी जस्ट डिलीवर इट राइट एंड हम लोग अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि द सेम पर्सन द हु वी आर सेंडिंग दिस मैसेज टू मस्ट हैव रिसीव्ड इट राइट वो डबल टिक आ जाता है जब वी गेट द सेटिस्फैक्शन कि भाई मैसेज पहुंच चुका है बट what really we need to think upon is कि क्या वो मैसेज पहुंचा है या नहीं पहुंचा है right it's just a very lame example and if the other person must have listened to that you have read that particular message or what you're trying to say क्या वो उसी तरीके से उसके पास डिलीवर हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है because after all we are all humans, we have all had different experiences, सबकी अपनी background है, सबके अपने values हैं, सबके beliefs अपने different different हैं, सबके experiences अलग अलग हैं. And whatever the thing is कि whenever you read a particular kind of a sentence or when you receive a particular message या कोई information आती है, उसकी जो interpretations हैं, they are very different for different people. So it's very very important that whenever you are trying to communicate with someone, you make sure that जो आपका इंटरप्रिटेशन है या जो आपकी बिलीफ है या जो आप कन्वे करना चाह रहे हो, क्या वही जो वही चीज है, क्या वो सामने वाले पर्सन को कन्वे हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है. तो इसी एक लेके बैठ जाना, इस चीज को लेके इन आवर माइंड्स, इन दैट द मैसेज सेंट, what you have sent, what you have said, it is delivered, it is received by the other person.
Correct.
Okay.
बिल्कुल सही बोला वंदना. I agree with this and this is यही सारी प्रॉब्लम है सोशल मीडिया वर्ल्ड और डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में. यही तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है जिसकी वजह से लोगों में क्लैशेस होते हैं. So message sent is not always the message received.
Okay,
Mind you,
yes.
And that is why interpersonal communication and face-to-face communication is still essential to keep relationships working. Okay, let's go on to the second one. Okay, speaking talent is important for effective communication. Well. This probably is the biggest myth on this planet कि अच्छी speaking skills होना ही मतलब ये prove करेंगी कि आपकी communication effective है. No, this is not the case. Although we do promote कि सबके communication skills जो है अच्छे होने चाहिए, हमें अपने communication skills पे work out करना चाहिए. No doubt about the fact कि अगर आप बहुत ही charismatic speaker हैं तो आपकी बात को लोग और ध्यान से सुनते हैं, आपकी बातों को लोग ज्यादा वैल्यू करते हैं. आप अगर एक ऑडियंस के सामने परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो आपकी बात को एक वेट दिया जाता है, आपकी ओपिनियंस को एक वेट दिया जाता है. But this is nowhere a principle when we come to a lower level, when we come to interpersonal relationships. तो very common example is जब मैं घर पे बात करती हूँ या कभी बहस हो जाती है मेरी और मेरी मम्मा की, तो she always says this, ठीक है मुझे पता है तू डिबेटर है, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो बात को समझ. So you understand what it means. So even if you are a very good orator, even if you are putting a lot of logic in your statements, एक communication को complete करने के लिए आपको एक element of emotion चाहिए होता है, more than professionalism, more than perfection in sentences. So definitely, apart from your vocabulary, apart from कौन सी language में और कितना fluently आप बोल रहे हैं, a lot of other things play a very important role, which is to develop an emotional connect with the person with whom you are communicating. And the second is your voice modulation, the language that you're using. So ultimately, if you're communicating in your mother tongue, it makes a lot more sense than when you're communicating in some other language, for example, English. There's a lot of hype that those who know English, those who are fluent in English, those who are perfect in English, they are good communicators. No, that's not the case. तब तक आपका मैसेज एक दूसरे एंड पे उस तरीके से नहीं पहुंच रहा जिस तरीके से आपने इंटेंड किया है, योर कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट कंप्लीट. Since I am a media student, my HOD and my teachers when they take our lectures, they mention this point so many times कि सिर्फ heavy vocabulary use करके अगर आप एक न्यूज रिपोर्ट लिख देते हैं या आप कोई आर्टिकल लिख देते हैं, what is the point if the other person on the other hand has to refer to the dictionary again and again to interpret a small piece of text जो आपने लिखा है, right? So this pretty much proves my point, right? It's not about how much weight you're putting in your vocabulary. It is about how much meaning you're able to deliver on the other end. So definitely, speaking talent does not mean you are an effective communicator. There are a lot of other things that play a very important role, including the psyche and the psyche of your listener and the psyche of the speaker and the environment in which you are speaking. All of this matters a lot in communicating your message well. Done. Vandana, teri baari.
Exactly. Yeah. Because the voice modulation, आप कितना high pitch, low pitch, आप किस तरीके से बोल रहे हो, if you are taking pauses, but if you are not able to deliver it right, अगर आप उसको सामने वाला person अगर आपको समझ ही नहीं था, then what's the point of all these like doing all these stuff, right? अब हम next myth पे आते हैं, that is effective communication is about blunt truth, right? इस तरह मुझे वो याद आ गया, you know, छोटे होते होते like एक truth, like वो कौन सा quote था, Lovepreet, do you remember about the honesty is the best policy, like kind of a best policy kind of a thing, कि मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, आई हैव दिस वे ऑफ सेइंग थिंग्स, आई हैव दिस वे ऑफ कन्वेइंग थिंग्स, राइट, कि मैं तो सच ही बोलता हूँ, राइट, आई डू दैट. बट लाइक इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू दिस कि मैंने तो सच बोल दिया, राइट, माई जॉब इज डन. This is the, I think, what the perspective should not be. Because if people uh, like can't deal with reality, then it's their problem. This is what you believe, right, कि मैंने तो सच बोल दिया, लेकिन अगर सामने वाले पर्सन को नहीं समझ आ रहा है या वो नहीं समझ पा रहा है, then it's their problem ना. It's like your job is done. But do you think it is a communication? No, it's not a communication. You are just trying to आपने एक तरीके से ना वो ट्रूथ बॉम्ब किसी पे फेंक दिया, right? So it is not a communication. It is like you are putting all the information, you are dumping all the information onto somebody, right? But वो communication नहीं है. It is it's a very basic myth if you see. लेकिन अगर आप उसको present अच्छे से कर पा रहे हो, you have that empathy, you have that compassion when you are trying to deliver to that somebody, तो वो आपके उस point को समझेगा भी. So just delivering the blunt truth to someone is not an effective communication, I think.
Agree. एक तरीका होता है, I mean, इसमें आप एक concept of positive criticism लगा सकते हो. So even if you're trying to criticize somebody and bring out something negative, आप as a well wisher चाहते हो कि वो improve करे उस चीज पे, इसीलिए आप एक सच बोल के आपने एक honest opinion दे रहे हो. Even then it's very important to support that opinion with a lot of emotion, to support that opinion with politeness, with empathy, with understanding, with love. अगर आप उठा के सिर्फ फेंक दोगे एक चीज को कि देख भाई मैंने तो सच बोल दिया, my job is done, ठीक है, that is not communication in any way, because the other person, even if you have told the truth, that truth is nothing for the other person. That person did not.
It's important. Yeah, it's very important that in communication you are delivering truth. Like you are not like sugarcoating everything, right? And you are not trying to be something which you are not, right? You are trying to sugarcoat it, और आप उसको बहुत अच्छे से मोल्ड करके या ये करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो कि सामने वाले पर्सन को बुरा ना लगे. It's important that you say truth, but it is also very important कि वो bluntly अगर आप कह देते हो या आप deliver कर देते हो, it's like you are free from your part, but you are not considering this कि वो शायद उधर deliver हुआ ही नहीं है, right? या वो उस तरीके से हुआ ही नहीं है. Some person will think of you that very rude. इसको बात करने की तमीज नहीं है, ये किस तरीके से बोल रहा है. But it is very important that you show that compassion or that empathy when you are trying to say something to someone.
Recording in right. अब उठाते हैं सेकंड वाला, नहीं फोर्थ में, right? Okay. Communication solves everything. ये तो भाई हमारा गो टू कोट है आजकल. मतलब जिसको आप देखो, इनफैक्ट मैं बोलूंगी कि मैं भी एक पॉइंट पे व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू काउंसिल पीपल, इट्स नॉट वेरी लॉन्ग अगो, आई गेस ये कुछ महीने पहले की बात है, 8-9 महीने पहले की बात है. इवन आई यूज्ड टू से कि कम्युनिकेशन सॉल्व्स एवरीथिंग. प्रोबेबली बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि बात करके, हम ये बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं कि बात करके ना बात सॉल्व हो जाती है, बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, आई टेक अ वेरी फ्रीक्वेंट एग्जांपल ऑफ कपल्स. उनमें क्या होता है कि यूजुअली बात ना करने की वजह से सर्टेन मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो जाती है, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हो जाती हैं, ठीक है. एक बात पे जब दोनों के ओपिनियंस मैच नहीं हो रहे, तो वहां पे कॉन्स्टेंटली उस चीज को ड्रैग करके आप सिर्फ एक सिचुएशन को और हॉरिबल बना लेते हो अपने आप के लिए, राइट. तो वहां उन सिचुएशंस में कहा जाता है कि इफ यू टॉक टू द अदर पर्सन, तो इट काइंड ऑफ प्रमोट्स दैट ओपन एंड इंटीमेट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप, कि आपने अगर बात कर ली, अपना कंसर्न बता दिया, अपनी इमोशंस बता दी, एक चीज को लेके आप क्या फील कर रहे हो कॉन्स्टेंटली वो बता दिया, तो उसके बाद आपके रिलेशनशिप में वो जो एक सील होती है वो टूट जाती है, और फिर एक लेवल की जो क्लोजनेस या इंटीमेसी आपके बीच में आती है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ईच अदर, वो आती है. ट्रू. लेकिन आप क्या करोगे इन दैट सिचुएशन व्हेन समबडी, योर पार्टनर और एनीबडी हु इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू हैज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियंस / बिलीव्स, और फाउंडेशन ही, मतलब फाउंडेशनल बिलीव्स है उनकी. तो कोट एन एग्जाम्पल, आजकल जो सोशल मीडिया पे हो रहा है वो इसका बहुत कॉमन एग्जाम्पल है, ठीक है. आप अपने आप पे लेके देखो, रिलीजन, पॉलिटिक्स, कुछ योर वेरी वेरी पर्सनल थिंग्स, योर सेक्सुअल लाइफ एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर समथिंग जो आपके लिए बहुत पर्सनल है. You have very very strong opinions or beliefs for them. It is foundational, right? In that situation, अगर कोई आपसे आके आपको कुछ बोले, आपको बोले कि आप इसको चेंज करो, क्या आप चेंज कर लोगे? You won't change it, right? हम सोशल मीडिया पे हर तरह के लोग देखते हैं, ठीक है, हम सोचते हैं कि हमें अगर देख के पढ़ के एक बार ही पोस्ट ऐसा भी लगे ना कि व्हाट द हेल, ये क्या बंदा है, इसको क्यों नहीं समझ में आ रहा, उस बंदे के साथ कम्युनिकेट करके कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. इट विल इनफैक्ट क्लोज द डोर्स. वो एक ब्रिज है ना, कम्युनिकेशन एक ब्रिज होता है रिलेशनशिप में, दो लोगों के बीच में, और उस ब्रिज के थ्रू जो है प्रॉब्लम्स का आना जाना लगा रहता है. प्रॉब्लम आती है, आप सॉल्व करते हो, आप एक दूसरे के साथ जो है एक बॉन्ड बना के रखते हो. जब आप एक ऐसे सिचुएशन में घुस जाते हो ना जहाँ पे यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग हार्ड टू चेंज somebody's beliefs or opinions with communication, एंड उस बंदे की फाउंडेशन ही बहुत स्ट्रांग है, in that case you just inviting another trouble and that bridge will probably break, right? So isliye it is said that communication is not always going to solve everything. No doubt it does give you a closure in your relationship, it allows you for a better, a more comfortable space between two people, but it's not always the case, one. And number two, it does not always solve the problem, right? So a very common problem, I recently came across a couple and both of them were just thinking about if they should have a baby or not. Now in that situation, the girl strongly opposed this and the guy strongly wanted this. अब in this situation, solution तो अब उनकी बहसबाजी से रोज solution नहीं निकल रहा था. You know, when they told their feelings to each other, this is what I feel about this situation and this is what I feel about this situation, they could further initiate a communication about that topic, but it did not necessarily solve the problem because one of them had to give in into the other person's decision. So there are definitely certain cases jahan pe you cannot expect things to be solved, completely solved by communication. Of course it might open doors in your relationship for openness, and in some cases to wo bhi nahi hota, to communication karke you're just going to destroy everything. That is why you have to be very thoughtful of the timing, किस टाइम पे किस तरीके से और किसके साथ communication करनी है. That makes a whole lot of difference in your life, and it helps you avoid all the toxicity that comes with communications. वंदना, काफी ज्यादा हो गया.
Exactly. I think it's very very important कि हर बार communicate करके situation को resolve कर पाना. कभी कभी you have to give that space to that other person. राइट, मे बी हो सकता है कि वो अभी उस राइट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में है ही नहीं कि आप उससे कम्युनिकेट कर पाओ और वो आपको समझ पाए. एंड कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ती. कभी कभी उस चीज को या उस टॉपिक को कभी कभी निग्लेक्ट कर देना इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज यू नो इट्स गोइंग टू बी लिटिल बिट टॉक्सिक. तो उसको निग्लेक्ट भी किया जा सकता है. ये नहीं है कि हर बार आप उस सिचुएशन को खोलकर बैठो कि आओ बातचीत करते हैं, इस पे बातचीत करते हैं. समटाइम्स द टॉपिक इज नॉट लाइक दैट. कि कभी कभी आप सब ऐसा होता है ना कि अगर आप जिस चीज को ज्यादा आप फैलाने की कोशिश करोगे, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम, इट्स एक्चुअली adding it to your problem, right? So it's important that you give that space and you understand कि किस पे बात करनी जरूरी है, किस पे बात, किसको बिना बात किए निग्लेक्ट किए या किसी चीज को छोड़े आगे बढ़ा जा सकता है.
करेक्ट,
राइट. तो आई थिंक अब नेक्स्ट मिथ पे चले.
मजा आ रहा है मुझे वैसे.
So the next myth is
यूनिक मिथ निकाले हैं तूने.
Okay, so the next is adapting to people is necessary for good communication. Okay, very interesting. I think इसको थोड़ा ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए I believe सबसे पहले adapting word को ही पकड़ते हैं, right? So what is adaptability if we talk about? It's very important factor. It's very important thing. You need to it is a key to survive and you know we are all have adapt to different situations. अगर हम अपनी ही बात करते हैं, if somebody goes to a new job और आप किसी नई organization में जाते हैं या नहीं किसी city में जा रहे हैं, किसी country में जा रहे हैं, you adapt to that particular kind of environment, right? But एक good communication या effective communication के लिए आप हर बार adapt करो, I don't think it's a good thing, because what exactly happened is कि let's say अगर मैं 5 लोगों से या I am talking to like 5 people and I am talking to them in adapting to them or adapting to that situation. So what makes me, वो मुझे क्या बना रहा है? It's basically showing different personalities of me which maybe वो सही भी नहीं है, right? It's making me something which I am not, right? तो हर बार वही लेके चलना कि adapting is like कि मैं उसी तरीके से या उसी टोन में बात करूंगा. और what exactly इसकी अगर वो 5 लोग आपस में फिर बात करेंगे then be like कि मेरे साथ तो that person is like this with me that person is like this, yeah, with me that person is like this, so I'm trying to be something which I am not, right? So it makes, sometimes what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to pretend something which I am not. And why I'm doing that, ताकि मेरा एक way of communication अच्छा रहे, मेरी smooth sailing रहे उस person के साथ, right? Which is not always necessary, उसकी जरूरत भी नहीं है, because is during this whole process you may lose your identity, you may lose yourself, right? It is making you something which you are not. So what you can say is, like whenever you are doing a communication, a trade-off can happen between the two people when you try to do this. So I don't think adapting to people is necessary for to be a good communicator or like to do a good communication.
राइट और फिर पता है इसकी एक और डायमेंशन ये भी है कि अल्टीमेटली आपने जिस चीज के लिए ये सब किया, यू नो, जस्ट फॉर दैट सोशल इमेज, जस्ट सो दैट आपके रिलेशनशिप सस्टेन कर जाए, उसके लिए आपने अपनी कितनी जगह पे अपनी फीलिंग्स को, यू नो, यू सैक्रिफाइस्ड, यू kind of killed your own emotions, your feelings, your needs, your opinions at so many different places just for that one thing, which is to get validation socially. At the end of the day, those people for whom you did all of this might also feel like he's a chameleon. He keeps changing colors, you know. She's
Exactly,
different
right
with
word.
that person, she's different with that person, she's different with that person. What exactly is she? You lost your identity and people lost trust on you in general, right? So your whole point of doing that entire process of adapting to people and communicating is gone, right? It does not make any sense, क्योंकि आपका गोल तो फिर भी सॉल्व नहीं ना हुआ, और आप खुद जो पेन में रहे, आप खुद जो डिप्रेस हुए, वो अलग हुए. So definitely adapting is not necessary for a good communication. Yes, being empathetic is of course necessary, you know, to understand the situation and to effectively see the timing and then communicate is very very necessary, but it's not necessary कि आप अपनी personality बदलो हमेशा. I guess this is the last one for this episode. And मुझे मजा आ रहा है वैसे ही करने में, but then yeah, communicating a hidden problem worsens the problem. Well, ये एक ऐसा मिथ है जिसके बारे में मैं और वंदना एपिसोड 1 में भी बात कर चुके हैं, एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि ये मिथ में मैं बिल्कुल भी बिलीव नहीं करती, एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स, जो मेरा सर्कल है, जिनको मैं जानती हूँ, अभी अगर मैं बैठ के 1 मिनट के लिए सोचूं कि मैं किन से डेली बेसिस पे कम्युनिकेट करती हूँ, none of them believes in this. Now for us this is already a myth which is busted long back. Normally क्या होता है ना, we fabricate reasons, you know, to procrastinate some important conversations in our life. Did you notice कि कभी कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ये बात करना चाहती हूँ, मैं बहुत desperately, I really want to talk about this issue, but I'm not able to talk about it. I'm always finding excuses, I'm always running away because I'm fearful how to initiate this conversation. मैं कैसे बात करूं, right? बात करूंगी तो उसके consequences क्या होंगे, मैं पहले ही सोच के बैठ जाती. All of these जो हमने 6 चीजों की आज बात की है, these are all interrelated. No doubt कि अगर आपके मन में कोई concern है, उसको आप ठा करके जाके बोल दोगे, that might cause a problem. लेकिन it is important to have communication about hidden problems. Let's say I have some problem in my heart, I know something is constantly bothering me about my friend, let's say about Vandana, and I decide to not tell her and to pretend. Again, what Vandana was talking about in the last 1 minute ago, she was talking about this. I will pretend to be nice, everything is okay, I don't mind your toxic behavior, I'm all right with it, I'm ready to adjust, I'm ready to give 100%, you know, without expecting anything. Cool. Lekin after a particular point, that might turn into something very, very toxic for you. Because if you are procrastinating and if you're hiding, you know, the problems that are there and you're not communicating about them, at one point it will strain your relationships. And when that happens, it's really bad. It's really bad, you know. So I would say ki it's important to be real, you know. It's important to be empathetic, but it is also important to be very real in your conversations. ठीक है, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि अगर आपको कोई चीज बॉदर कर रही है, कोई ऐसी हिडन प्रॉब्लम्स है रिगार्डिंग पीपल, रिगार्डिंग सिचुएशंस, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू टू टॉक अबाउट इट in a very subtle manner, in a way that your message is delivered very effectively. तो आप इतना टाइम, एनर्जी और रिसोर्सेज जो वेस्ट करते हो एक डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए, वो सब आपको अल्टीमेटली आपको उससे ज्यादा वापस देना पड़ेगा. you'll have to pay so much for it in the later stage अगर टाइम पे आपकी कॉन्वर्जेशन नहीं होती है. So, this is a big myth, talking about if, and one more thing, a pro tip for you, if communicating about hidden problems worsens your problems with some person, then that person is not the right person for you. You probably need to think of keeping that person in your contact list. You need to think of living with that person, and you need to really figure out how much time and energy you want to invest in that person. Because if it's worsening things, then there is no point. There is no point ki, there is no openness. ये trust नहीं है फिर अगर ये problems आ रही हैं. I guess we are done, right? We are done with this, and luckily
Yeah, it was not expected the way it should be. मतलब we were like when we were bursting these myths, मेरे को लगता है शायद हमने भी कुछ चीजें realize करी हैं which we were not even like maybe it was going around like in a subconscious mind, right? We have these, but when we like we talk about it and we were like discussing all these things, हमें भी realize हुआ कि यार it is something which we don't put that much focus on, right? And we should think about it.
I guess मंदर और मैं दोनों I guess जो इसने अभी भी डिस्कस किया था about adapting for effective communication, that is one thing जिसपे हम दोनों इस बात को agree करते हैं कि we do that mistake at times. We do that mistake, और सिर्फ इसीलिए सिर्फ for that one single concern that we want to be available for everyone, and it is sometimes very hard to say no. Long back when I was in class 8 or 9, my mom read out an article for me, and the article said, "Na कहना सीखिए." Saying no is an art, and most of us struggle because हम वो art को सीखते नहीं हैं, हमें नहीं आता. And my mom at that point in time realized कि मुझे इसकी बहुत जरूरत है. Unfortunately, मैंने आज तक भी नहीं सीखा है ये. But yes, this is very necessary, and it is not always important to lose yourself in the process of finding others or just keeping up with others. That is a very toxic trait, right?
But it's totally okay अगर नहीं भी हो रहा है, because after all we are all learning. जो life जो है ये right, ये पूरा journey है, and whenever like in this whole journey we are still learning and we still have a lot to learn, and it's totally fine if we have made those mistakes or we are still making those mistakes, right? And we are still repeating them, but it's also very important कि हम उनको realize भी करें कि we are doing this, right? और मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि you just change it like in a one night kind of a thing, but उसका कुछ 10%, 2%, 1% we can just try to work on it and make things better.
Okay, so I guess this was all for today's episode. Thank you so much guys for patiently being with us. We hope जो भी हमने आज बातें की हैं, you gain something from it. I hope you were able to relate with it at some point. And if you're one of those who believes in any of these myths, then it is high time for you to stop believing in these things and go all out, communicate with people, and just master that art eventually of communicating effectively. And for that, trust me, I promise you don't need good English or good vocabulary. For that, all you need is a connect, is that ability to touch people, when you're talking to them, when you're communicating with them. Apart from that, it's the pandemic time. Be safe, all of you, be at home. For now, just do your digital communication really nicely. Make sure your message sent is the message received.
It's actually message delivered.
Just make sure you're trying to do that. And yes, stay safe. We will catch up with you in the next episode on the next Saturday at the same time with some new topic and with some new fun facts, interesting topics, interesting gossip and chat, right?
Yes.
So now it's
so we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.